All right there, boys and girls, back at it again, and today we are looking at the Alpinestars Limited Edition 99 Camo Supertech R boots. These are a replica boot, limited to 500 pieces, and they were for Jorge Lorenzo for the 2017 season, his first season aboard the Ducati. Jorge Lorenzo is a three-time MotoGP world champion who won the World Championship 3 times aboard the factory Yamaha in 2010, 12, and he's the only person to have beaten Marc Marquez since Marc came into the premier class. The Supertech R boot, it's a really nice boot. It is Alpinestars' top of the line track boot. It's got a cool inner booty system, which gone ahead and taken it out. You kind of put your foot in here and lace it up, and then you could get your suit on, and then you place this inside the boot once done. When I saw these boots, I really wanted to get them. They are probably the sweetest looking boots I've almost ever seen. In person, they look really nice. They have a nice flow red color way and a couple other shades of red on the perforated leather upper or synthetic leather upper. Now, am I the biggest Jorge Lorenzo fan? No, but I do like his riding style. I think he's a great rider. This is what the boot looks like on the bike. It's got a really, Supertech R's got a nice fit to them. They latch in here. They have a nice suede on the inside of the boot to help you get as close to the boot as possible. I will say that these boots are a little bit large compared to some others, such as like the CD Mag 1, but they are a little bit more protective. These boots vent a lot of air through the perforations, but also through these holes in that tongue area there. Come with replaceable toe and heel sliders. These have seen a little bit of track action, so these have been in my collection since 2017. They sold out pretty much right away. These boots, again, limited to 500 pieces. I really like the way the Supertech R fits. It's a comfortable boot if you have to walk around all day at the track. A lot of people overlook the boot aspect of their gear. They just get any color, normally black boots. But I feel as if, if you're gonna have a cool looking helmet or bright gloves or a bright jacket, maybe you should have a pair of bright boots. And Alpinestars does release limited edition runs of their Supertech R's. And when I like a graphic or colorway scheme, I tend to pick them up and definitely scoop these ones up as soon as I saw them when they were going to be released. Super nice boot. Again, they look great on the bike. Now, if you're in the market for a track boot, I would highly recommend the Alpinestars Supertech R. Pretty much everyone wears them. Everyone in the MotoGP paddock. A lot of riders do. But this is by far one of the best graphics that they've released. They really look amazing on the Ducati. But they would go with any bike, really. You can wear them with jeans, you can wear them with leathers, you can wear them with anything. Are they a little bit overkill for the street? Yeah, but they look dope as fuck. So it doesn't really matter if it's overkill or not. If you want to wear something, just wear it. Again, inner booty construction. Go ahead, you stick your boot in there, put your foot in there, lace it up, Velcro it, and then you could go ahead and slide the boot into there and zip it up. Overall, really clean aesthetic on the Supertechs. They're definitely an aggressive boot. They're definitely made for the track, but they do, with that suede inseam there, they do help you get nice and close to the bike. Not as small or as thin as the CD Mag 1, but they are pretty bomb-proof. They feel very, very, very sturdy, very protective. Overall, I would say probably the best boot on the market if you're going to the track. There's a lot of other boots, a little lower levels that they have, Alpinestars makes, but these are by far and away, to me, the most comfortable. And with the inner booty system, it makes it really easy to get in and out of with your race suit on. You're wearing your full leathers. You could take the booty out, put that on with your leathers, and then open this up and slide your boot in, and then zip that up. And then this kind of creates encloses over the leather once you have your foot and leg in there. A lot of protection on the shin area there. Very robust. They feel pretty much incredible when they're on your foot. I wouldn't really fault them. The only thing I would say is, comparative to a CD Mag 1, they aren't as svelte. They're a little thicker, so you don't really feel as connected as you do on the Mag 1, but I think the trade-off is you get better protection all around. And also, nice thing about the CD, you could rebuild those, and you could rebuild these. Again, toe sliders and your heel sliders and stuff are all replaceable. Just overall, really great boot. If you're in the market for a track boot or just a motorcycle boot in general, the Alpinestars Supertech R is a great one. Unfortunately, you're not going to find these bad boys. These are sold out and have been for a long time. Again, limited edition 99 Camo Supertech R boots from Alpinestars. Only 500 pair made worldwide, and you're looking at one of the pair right here. If you do have the, you come across these, I would highly, highly, highly recommend picking them up. Otherwise, if you're just gonna pick up a pair of track boots, I would definitely try these on. Very comfortable fit and feel, and pretty much you run true to size. I'm a size 44 or 10 in most sneakers, such as Nike or Adidas, and I wear 44 in these as well. But overall, just a really great boot. And yeah, if you're looking for a track boot, Alpinestars Supertech R. As always, stay fresh.